Put on the full armor of God so that you can take your stand against the devil's schemes.
Hey again, Super Training University with Jesus students. I'm Amazing Alan.
And I'm Wonder Jordan. We are here today to help you power up your vacation Bible school with some awesome STU with Jesus crafts.
And so this week we have a fantastic opportunity. Again, you can get all of our crafts at Urban Ministries, umivbs.com. So check out umivbs.com. You can get the crafts as well as our downloadable videos. And so what do we have this week planned?
This week we have our VBS theme song lyric video with all the animated characters from this year's VBS.
So yeah, you can check that out, download it. It's a great way for your students to learn the lyrics to the theme song. Again, that's Your Armor by None Above. You can check that video as well as a bunch of other videos out at the website. But this week's craft, I see you already have it on. What do we got, Jordan?
This week we have our foam sun radar sunglasses.
Very nice. Fly in them. I'm trying to get fly like that. And so let's check out some kids doing these crafts.
Your armor, you can walk further into the battleground. Stand taller, shielded and ready. Be a superhero. Have no fear, I gifted all your armor.
I really love the way these glasses look on me. We have to make you some. What do we need to get started?
Well, we've got in our bag, you can again order these. They come in packs of 12
Okay.
at umivbs.com. And so you've got each pair of sunglasses. And so they come already with the nice plastic lenses in them.
Okay.
And then they also come with these wonderful stencils. And these are the decorations, the designs that the kids can use to put on the glasses.
Okay.
And so they've got a bunch of different colors to choose from. And again, nice, easy peel and stick so that it doesn't create a lot of mess and your kids are still able to be creative.
Well, let's go ahead and make you some.
I'm ready. And so you can see in the package, you get lots of different options. We have different colors of glasses to go through. I like the blue ones, so I'm going to use those. And you've also got different decorations that you can use to decorate your foam radar sunglasses. So I like the green. I think I'm going to put my green with my blue. And it is, it's nice and easy. Again, these are they peel right off. So I can stick them on here. I'm gonna do some smiley faces, maybe some of these nice star shapes, and then also some of these stars. And I think I wanna put some orange on here too. Little orange heart, you know, it's exciting. And so you can see I've got lots of different options and they peel right off. And again, kids, great opportunity for them to share, or if you don't want to, you can split into two and give each kid different colors as well. And so you see we can peel off more than one at a time. So if I want to put two suns, I've got two suns I can go ahead and stick right on. And you know, let me get a little bit more inventive here. Let's do some stars. I know Jordan is going to say, why do you have one yellow star? But, you know, I can do what I want. And so we're almost done here. I've got some on each side. Oh, and you see, in this case, I pulled it too hard. I pulled this out of its shape. But it's OK, because I can still just peel off the back here and still get my shape off. And so here we go. And I think that's about gonna do it for me. So I've got my stars, I've got my sunshine, I've got a lot going for me. And you can totally see that I've used different colors. I was able to be creative and yet still not a lot of mess, just a little paper to throw away after the fact. So it's a great craft to do with kids no matter what age. Certainly so that they can age where they don't want to swallow these objects, right? Anything that's too small. But by the age of 4 or 5, they should be able to peel these out and stick them right on, and they've got something to play with and go on. Fantastic. I feel so cool now. I got my
Aren't
foam
they?
sun radar sunglasses.
My vision is clearer now.
And so I'm seeing in blue. I'm feeling cool. We hope you join us next time here at STU headquarters for more crafts. Again, I'm Amazing Alan.
And I'm Wonder Jordan.
And we hope you have a super blessed day.